Welcome to this tutorial on customizing button panel within the Universal Dashboard driver. Let us proceed. To add a button panel, find the plus button, located in the top right corner of the dashboard. From the menu, select the button panel. Now, let's customize it. Click the settings icon to open the configuration panel. Here, you can set the title. Next, let's add buttons to the panel. Click the Add New button and Input button name. It is possible to add up to 6 buttons to a single panel to visualize and control your I/O devices. Once you've added your buttons, click the Save icon to apply the changes. For function demonstration, we created a Contact, Relay, and Link button. To connect variables, switch to the Composer, Connections, and Link bindings. Each button is capable of Relay, Contact, and Link binding. We set it up HopSoft fully compatible Modbus driver and 2-button keypad for this example. Now you can see how button behaves as the relay, contact, and link. Experiment with different button configurations and customizations to visualize and control your I/O devices effectively. Thank you for watching. For more information and expert support, visit hopsoft.com.au.